bro, it has an impact on the rest of the ummah. What about what you're getting up to behind closed doors? I'm not gonna be around the bush. There's man them that are addicted to pornography. Allah is not funny. Because what if you, while you're watching pornography, what are you gonna say to Allah, bro? I was gonna make tawbah, ya Allah. I was gonna have my little 2-minute buzz, and I'm gonna make tawbah. Akhi, when comes to you in that moment, do you not feel shame? Do you not see that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching you on what you're doing? Or what about the times where you're wasting your life being on the phone to girls, if it's FaceTime, if it's phone calls, and you know deep down inside you're never gonna get married to this girl. You're just there wasting her time and following your desires. But this is what happens when you have a lack of what? A lack of knowledge in the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How many people do we know that leave the house as a Muslim and they as a kafir because of a statement they uttered, because of an action they committed? And how many of us do we know of people that have left their house as a kafir, and by the end of the night they've taken their shahada, and alhamdulillah they've become a Muslim, and even if they die upon that state? Let me make something clear to every single Muslim here, bro. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would not change the condition of the people until they change the conditions of themselves. What about the little sins that you're doing, bro? It has an impact on the rest of the ummah. What about what you're getting up to behind closed doors? I'm not gonna be around the bush.